Hôtel.
So we just say hotel.
Oh, the hotel.
Hotel. You gotta say the huh.
The hotel. Okay, we say hôtel. Restaurant.
Oh, restaurant.
Oh my gosh, you're like,
It's restaurant.
restaurant. Restaurant.
And you say
Restaurant.
restaurant.
Restaurant. And I think in English I must say restaurant, you know, when I
have
talk
to.
to you. But I don't say restaurant. I say probably restaurant.
You
I'm
do.
doing a, yeah.
You say restaurant.
Yeah. Can we go to the restaurant?
Can we go to the restaurant?
Visa.
We say visa.
Visa.
Do we say visa or visa?
Maybe we say visa as well. Touriste.
Ah, tourist.
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 Ah, it's weird. Tourist. Okay. Touriste.
Touriste.
Yeah, touriste.
Is there a female tourist and a male tourist?
It's une touriste et un touriste.
Okay.
Passeport.
I thought it was passport for you.
No.
But you
Pasaporte.
just spell it that way.
Yeah, and it's also Spanish. Pasaporte.
Well, we just say passport.
Passport. Just passport. Okay. Passport. Taxi.
Taxi.
Same. Bus.
But hey, back on taxi. Do you say Uber?
We say Uber.
Uber.
Uber. Definitely, actually. I haven't seen that. I haven't said that for a long time, but yes, Uber. T'as appelé un Uber?
And what about the name Hubert?
So it would be the same. It would be Uber as well with an H and a T.
But it
As in-
sounds exactly the same in French.
Exactly. So it sounds like you're calling a friend called Uber.
Have you thought about that before?
Yeah, it was a common joke probably at the beginning when it's kind of got released. Like, oh, t'as appelé Uber? Or, I don't know. I think it was. It's been a while. But yeah. So it's Uber
Got it.
in English.
Uber.
Uber. Bus.
Bus.
Yeah, bus. It's bus.
Bus.
Bus. Oh, wow. Aéroport.
That's hard to say in French. We just say airport, but you guys have to say not aéroport, but you say aéroport.
Voilà. Aéroport. And everything that is related to air, like you will have like this aéronautique. Voilà, aéronautique, like the science of, you know.
Like
this-
aeronautics for
yes.
us. Okay.
Aéroport, aérodynamique.
Aerodynamics.
Voilà. So there is this initial
Aéro.
voilà. Aéroport. It's very weird here. Bagage.
Oh. When we say baggage, we also say luggage, but you say,
Bagage. So that's why in airports,
but you also say valise.
valise, oui, valise. So bagage ou valise.
Okay. Baggage or luggage for us. You don't have the word luggage.
No, we don't. No. It's literally luggage is baggage for us. And you have baggage, but it means it doesn't mean the same.
It doesn't. What's
yeah.
baggage for you?
I thought that baggage is more like your life. You have some baggage. You know?
Oh, we do have the word baggage. Like if you have a lot of like problems that you bring with
Yeah.
you to a relationship or something, you can say he has a lot of baggage or she
Right.
has a lot of baggage. But baggage at the airport, like baggage claim, is your luggage going to get your bags.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
For you too?
Oui, c'est la réclamation des bagages, I think. We'll see in a little bit, actually, when we arrive in CDG. Excursion.
Okay. Excursion. Excursion.
Destination.
Okay. Destination. It just sounds so much more fancy when you say it. Destination.
Destination. Destination for us sounds cool. More
Really?
cool. Destination.
Destination.
Réservation.
Okay. Reservation. Again, it's that action. Like so.
Exactly. Very good. Souvenir.
Okay. Souvenir. But it's interesting because for us, a souvenir is just the trinket, the thing you buy to remember something. But for you, the word souvenir it means memory.
It means memory. Exactly. Je me souviens. I remember. Souvenir is a noun for the object that you want to bring back from vacation. that allows you to remember your vacation. But yeah, you cannot say that in English. You just use the word as it is, right?
Right. Just a noun for us. You can't souvenir anything here.
You can souvenir anything. Guide.
Gosh. Guide. It's guide.
Guide. It's a guide.
Hello.
Hello. Well, it's a guide for us. Itinéraire.
Itinerary.
Itinerary. It feels like so much more letters in this one than us. Itinéraire. Itinerary.
It's so hard to say itinéraire, though. Like, I don't even think I said it right. But
Itinéraire.
itinéraire.
Exactly. Go ahead again.
Itinéraire.
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 Very good. Very good. Carte.
Well, I mean, oh. What? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Uh,
But we say map, right?
exactly. Exactly.
Took me a minute because you also say cart for card.
Yeah.
I imagine you would say cart for like a luggage cart, maybe. I don't know.
No.
Okay.
C'est un chariot.
Chariot. Chariot. Your chariot awaits, and it's just a baggage claim thing.
You can step in. Yeah, no, so carte means map. Yeah.
Okay. But I think we have like a cartologist is like a map, so
Yeah.
someone who studies maps or something. So you can make the correlation. I'm not sure if I got that right. But
Well, cartographie, I think. Cartography.
cartography. Okay.
Cartography.
Cartography.
But map. Boom.
Okay.
Première classe.
Ah. Now these words I can understand. That's first class for us.
Et oui, c'est juste première. Tu voyages en première?
Ah oui.
Toujours.
Toujours. How do you say, is there any other way?
Ah ouais. Y a-t-il une autre façon?
We're kidding. We're kidding. Even though we do get to fly first class on this trip. We got a
Yes.
really good deal on it, but we're kidding. We don't always fly first class.
No,
Yeah.
not always.
And what about stewardess? A stewardess. Wait, stewardess. Wait, I don't even think we use that anymore. That's like the old way to say it.
Flight assistant.
Flight attendant.
Flight attendant, ouais. On dit les hôtesses de l'air for a girl. I still think we are using the word steward for the men. Je pense pas qu'il y a hôte de l'air, mais peut-être que c'est la version française, la version masculine, mais j'ai jamais entendu.
Dites-nous en les commentaires.
S'il te plaît.